안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Hey everybody. Today's lesson we're gonna be learning about weather. And about weather, we're gonna be learning them in phrases. So you can actually those phrases and you can use them, apply them to and actual is because there either it is an actual question and also statement and answer back phrases. If you have you know first of all, just practice on your own, and if you have someone to practice with in Korean, this will be a perfect one. So I hope will be a very fun lesson for you today. Okay, so our first phrase would be 날씨가 어때요? How's the weather? So yes, uh, did I mention weather was 날씨? Okay, if I did not, then I apologize. But weather is 날씨. So, how's the weather? And you say in Korean, 날씨가 어때요? Or you can say, how's the weather today? That means, so today in Korean means 오늘. So you can say, 오늘 날씨가 어때요? But we'll go with the easy one, okay? So, 날씨가 어때요? 날씨가 어때요? Means, how's the weather? How's the weather? 날씨가 어때요? Okay? How's the weather? Well, but yes, we are learning about weather, but 어때요 means how something. So let's you could actually substitute other words there. Let's say we did learn meat, correct? If you remember on the food lesson. So let's say 고기 was meat. So you say 고기가 어때요? So you say how's the meat? Is that good? How's the meat? Yeah, or 야채 was vegetables, right? So you can say 야채가 어때요? How's the vegetable? Is it good? 맛있어요? 맛있어요 means is it delicious? 야채가 어때요? Or or test or examination was in Korean 시험. Or you say, oh well, we don't say 시험가 어때요? We say 시험이 어때요? Yeah, we say 시험이 어때요? So okay, I don't want to confuse you, but you could pick up Korean this way also. So even though we're learning how's the weather, but just substituting 날씨 to other vocab words that you know, that makes a sentence. Okay? All right. Moving on. And the answer would be the weather is good. And in Korean we say 날씨가 좋네요. The weather is good. 날씨가 좋네요. Or we could say 날씨가 좋아요. But it's the same meaning. So you could just, 날씨가 좋네요. What about the weather is not so good? We could say 날씨가 안 좋네요. So we put 안 before 좋. So 안 좋네요. 날씨가 안 좋아요. 안 좋네요. That means the weather's not so good. But for now, we wanna be saying that weather is good. So 날씨가 좋네요. Okay? All right, moving on. Another way to respond, it's sunny. 맑아요. Or you can say 날씨가 맑아요. That means the weather is sunny. But it will just, stick with a simple phrase. Just it's sunny. 맑아요. What's 맑아요? Then, well, weather is 맑아요. Then 날씨가 맑아요. Okay. 물이 맑아요. 물 is water. We did learn that, right? So 물 is 물이 맑아요. That means the water is not sunny, but 물 means 맑아요 could also mean it's clean, like pure. Okay? So it does mean sunny in this situation for weather, but let's say for water, yeah, then for water it could mean it's water is clean or water is pure. 물이 맑아요. Okay, moving on to the next one. So another response, it's rainy. 비가 내려요. It's rainy. 비가 내려요. That's it's rainy. Okay. Next one. It's snowy. 눈이 내려요. Oh, do you remember when we were learning about the eye, the parts of the body, I did mention that it is also called noon is also snow. So right here you are. So 눈이 내려요. It's snowy. Okay, another way to answer. How's the weather? You could say it's cloudy. 흐려요. Or you could say 날씨가 흐려요. The weather is cloudy, but we'll just stick with 흐려요, which is it's cloudy. 흐려요. Okay. Next one. It's windy. It's windy. 바람이 심해요. 바람이 심해요. It's windy. Okay. It's hot. 더워요. 더워요. Or 날씨가 더워요. The weather is hot. 더워요. Okay. And I did mention about the formal and informal way to respond and say things like that. So this, just know that in general we are teaching you. I'm teaching you the formal way of speaking, but informal way, for this, for instance, 날씨가 더워요. To if you're talking to your friend or someone who's younger than you in Korean culture, then we just say, "어 더워, 더워." We exclude the yo. So just say 더워. 날씨가 더워. But we'll stick with the formal ways. So 날씨가 더워요. 더워요. It's hot. 추워요. Oh, 추워요. Okay. Next one was it's cold. 추워요. Informal ways would be 추워. You want to put the weather is cold and you say 날씨가 추워요. 추워요. Okay. 추워요. So we will review all the weather phrases we learned so far. 날씨가 어때요? How's the weather? Maybe the informal way, maybe 날씨가 어때? Exclude the yo. 날씨가 어때요? 날씨가 어때? Second one, 날씨가 좋네요. That means the weather is good. Or informal ways to your friend, you say 날씨가 좋네. 날씨가 좋아. That means now the weather is good. Okay, next one. 맑아요. It's sunny. Or 날씨가 맑아요. The weather is sunny. Okay, 비가 내려요. It's rainy. 비가 내려요. So B is rain. 눈이 내려요. 눈 snow, correct? Okay, 눈이 내려요. It's snowy. 흐려요. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. 바람이 심해요. It's windy. It's windy. 바람 is wind. 바람이 심해요. 더워요. 더워. It's hot. 추워요. 추워. It's cold. Yeah, it's pretty cold right now in Korea. 추워요. So 한국은 추워요. Korea is cold. 서울은 추워요. Seoul, where I'm staying, the city of Seoul, the capital of Korea, Seoul is 추워요. Cold. Okay. Moving on. Okay, so yes, weather is 날씨. Okay. Like I repeated so many times. Weather is 날씨. Let's move on. Temperature. Temperature is 기온. 기온. Okay, so remember 날씨가 어때요? And I could ask 기온이 어때요? That means how's the temperature? 기온이 어때요? You'll be confused because when we put 날씨, we said 날씨가 어때요? And here we say 기온, not 기온가 어때요? We say 기온이 어때요? So how do you distinguish? How do you know which one to use? Well, for now, don't worry about that because it's more complex. But the more you get used to the Korean, you will understand that certain word that we use. For example, if there's like 이응 and 느, then it's 이 and 가. So it's more about it's yes, you have to know more grammar as time goes because you're on the beginning level right now. But as you move on to intermediate and advanced, hopefully, then you will understand. Oh, so for this part, you have to use ka. For this one, you have to use i. For this one, you have to use 는, 은, and all that things. Um, yes, that's pretty much it. Okay. So don't worry about that for now, okay? So I don't want you to be stressing out. Just understand. Just pick up Korean words one by one, and step by step. Let's go. All right. So 기온 was temperature, and next one sky, 하늘. Sky is 하늘. Okay, sky, 하늘, 하늘. Okay. So you can ask 하늘이 어때요? How's the sky? It's cloudy. What was cloudy? 흐려요. Yeah, 흐려요. Perfect. Okay. And sun is 해. 해 is sun. 해 is sun. Moving on to next one. Moon. So we learn about sun and there's moon at night. So moon is 달. 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 Okay, so sky, sun, moon. I'm sure we can guess what comes up next. So yes, cloud. 구름. 구름. 구름 is cloud. Okay, 구름 is cloud. Okay, rain, B. I did mention this a few times. So P, rain. There's also a very famous K-pop singer. His name is B. Well, his artist name is B. His real name is not B, by the way. Okay, and snow, noon, as we mentioned. Okay, are you picking it up? Because we did cover this a few times. And also, wind, 바람. My name is Karam, so it's pretty similar to 바람. So when I was little, my classmate used to make fun of me, like, haha, your name sounds like 바람. I'm like, okay, thank you. Move on. Next one. Fog is 안개. 안개. 안개 is fog. Okay. Next one. Thunder. Thunder. 천둥. 천둥 is thunder. 천둥. Thunder. Okay. Next one. Lightning. 번개. 번개 is lightning. 번개. Okay, so let's review our second part of the weather. 날씨, weather, 기온, temperature, 하늘, sky, 해, sun, 달, moon, 구름, cloud, rain, 비, 눈, snow, 바람, wind, 안개, fog, 천둥, thunder, 번개, lightning. Well done. All right. Next part. Spring is called 봄. 봄. My favorite season, by the way. Spring, 봄. Okay, next one. Summer. 여름. 여름. Summer. 여름. Okay. Next one is 가을. 가을 is fall or autumn. Okay. Fall, autumn. So we had spring, summer, fall, autumn. 가을. And lastly, winter. 겨울. 겨울. If you say 거울, that becomes mirror. Okay, we learned that. No, it's not 거울, it's 겨울. Winter. So 봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울. Spring, summer, autumn or fall, then winter. So 봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울. Okay. Good. Next one. So those four seasons, those are called the season. 계절. So when we say four seasons, we say, do you know the number four in Korean? So 사계절. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that? So 사계절. That's four seasons. Four seasons. Okay? Good. Next one. Lastly, the rainy season is called 장마. 장마. So it's 장마 season in Korea? So yeah, 장마. Oh, I mean not right now, but when we say. So 장마. 네. Rainy season. Wonderful. Let's go through. 봄, spring, 여름, summer, 가을, fall or autumn, 겨울, winter, 계절 is season, and 장마, rainy season. Okay, wonderful. Great job, everybody. 감사합니다. 수고하셨고요. 수고하셨습니다. We will meet in our next lesson.